Are you looking for the best meat grinder? In this video, we will take a look at some of the top meat grinders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, we have the powerful STX Turboforce Classic 3000 Series Electric Meat Grinder. The STX Turboforce has dimensions of 19 by 8 by 14 inches and it weighs 12 pounds. The STX Turbo is not only a meat grinder, but also a sausage stuffer, so you will get a 2-in-1 machine for the price of one. The Turbo Classic 3000 comes with a high-capacity tray that can hold 3 pounds of meat for grinding. You can easily grind 250 pounds of meat in an hour, thanks to size number 12 grinding head and grinding plates, which are 2 5/8 inch in diameter. As it is a heavy-duty meat grinder, it also allows you to grind a lot of meat in a very short time. The meat grinder also features a new ergonomic meat pusher, allowing you to push the meat with your palm instead of holding it in your hands. The power of this machine is between 800 watts and 1200 watts. At number 2, we have the Weston 10-3201 W Pro Series Electric Meat Grinder. The dimensions of this Weston grinder are 17 by 25 by 15.5 inches and it weighs 73 pounds. The 10-3201W has the extra wide offset head design, which boasts a very high grinding speed. It can actually grind 12 to 18 pounds of meat per minute. The grinder has a 1500 watt air-cooled motor which is permanently lubricated for years of use. It also offers rugged durability and quiet performance as it features precision engineering steel gears. The best thing about Weston Pro Series electric meat grinder is how easy it is to disassemble it for cleaning. It also has non-slip rubber feet which provide additional stability and prevent slippage. Tray guards with a reverse function keep your hands safe during grinding, making it a very safe grinder. At number 3, we have the Gourmia GMG 525 Electric Meat Grinder. The dimensions of the GMG 525 are 5.5 by 13.5 by 11.8 inches and it weighs around 6.85 pounds. The Gourmia GMG 525 has a heavy-duty meat tray for effortless grinding your meat. It has the power of 500 to 100 watts, which means it can grind the hardest of meat lumps with the utmost ease. You can grind the meat in coarse, medium, and fine cuts by choosing from 3 different cutting blades. You will also get a bonus accessory kit, which includes items such as sausage horn, kaiba attachment, and food pusher. The machine is also very simple to use, as it comes with an easy-to-use 3-way safety switch. Gourmia also provides you with an easy-to-understand and follow manual, which helps you assemble the device for use and disassemble for cleaning without any hassle. At number 4, we have the LEM Products Stainless Steel Big Bite Electric Meat Grinder. This meat grinder has dimensions of 20.2 by 9.1 by 16 inches when fully assembled, and it weighs around 33.1 pounds. It is a 75 horsepower grinder, with upgraded performance and quiet gears for silent operation. The grinder pushes and grinds more meat in a short time with the help of an extended auger. It can grind 7 pounds of meat in a minute. The body also contains a tray for easy storage of plates and knives. The most amazing thing about this grinder is how it minimizes user interaction while pushing the meat forward. It has a unique refilling pattern in the head that pushes the meat almost automatically. It is a large grinder with a steel pan measuring 12 1/4 inch by 9 1/8 inch by 2 1/4 inch deep. The larger size also makes it suitable for smaller apartments. At number 5, we have the Summile SMG31 Electric Meat Grinder. The SMG31 has the dimensions of 19.3 by 10.4 by 8.4 inches and it weighs 7.9 pounds. The Summile SMG31 is an ETL-approved grinder, with gears and gearbox allowing you to push the meat for grinding without any resistance. It is a basic home grinder with 800 watts of maximum power. SMG31 can easily meet most home grinding requirements, because it can grind up to 150 pounds of meat per hour despite its small size. It features a big head tray made of extremely durable die-cast aluminum. The pushing hole is also quite big, for you to easily push the meat inside the grinder. The ground meat will always be tender and fine due to the 3-section low-speed screw grinding function. The grinder comes with a circuit breaker to prevent motor burnout. Besides, it also has an emergency cutoff safety switch to avoid any damage. At number 6, we have the Home Leader K18-010 Meat Grinder. The dimensions of this grinder are 20.6 by 7.9 by 9.8 inches and it weighs only 1 pound. This machine by Home Leader has multiple applications including meat grinding, meat mincing, and sausage stuffing. The Home Leader meat grinder provides you with stainless steel blades and quiet metal gears to grind the meat quickly. It is also very easy and safe to operate the grinder because of the advanced copper motor protection system. You can also grind pepper and vegetables to make delicious purees and soups. There are also 3 stainless steel cutting blades, allowing you to have 3 different types of meat cuts, including coarse cut, medium cut, and fine cut. This grinder also comes with sausage attachments and a food pusher, making it easier for you to control the number of ingredients and quantity of spices while making soups. The chances of the motor heating are minimal thanks to an inside circuit breaker. The reverse grinding setting also makes unclogging the grinder a breeze. At number 7, we have the Kitchener No. 12 MG204182 Heavy Duty Electric Meat Grinder. The Kitchener Heavy Duty Electric Meat Grinder has dimensions of 16.3 by 3.9 by 13.5 inches and it weighs 15.01 pounds. It's a heavy-duty grinder with a power of 500 watts and an impressive loading capacity of 5.5 pounds per minute or 330 pounds per hour. Kitchener MG204182 is an all-in-one grinder which enables you to make sausages as well as grind the meat. Therefore, you can make meatballs, patties, crisp bacon, or short ribs right at your home. What makes MG204182 a really powerful machine is the air-cooled motor, which does not require any maintenance as well. The steel gear-driven mechanism also ensures safe and silent grinding operation. The grinder is not only efficient, but also very easy to clean. The aluminum meat pan with an elongated throat and dimensions of 11 by 8 by 2 can hold and push larger quantities of meat at a time. The package also includes a solid metal stomper in addition to stainless steel fine, coarse, and stuffing plates. It also features a stainless steel cutting knife and a heavy-duty steel grinder head for easy and quick grinding. At number 8, we have the Cuisinart MG100 Stainless Steel Electric Meat Grinder. The Cuisinart MG100 has dimensions of 9.2 by 16.4 by 8.5 inches and it weighs 8.5 pounds. The MG100 can grind 3 pounds of meat per minute owing to its powerful 300-watt motor. The biggest benefit of having the MG100 is that it grinds all kinds of meat. You can grind everything from chicken to turkey, beef, venison, and much more right at home using this multi-purpose grinder. You can grind the meat in coarse and medium cuts by using 2 different metal cutting plates. It's also possible to make regular sausages and breakfast links, as the grinder has 2 sausage attachments. Another great feature of the grinder is the reverse function, which ensures smooth grinding operation by releasing clogged foods. As such, it is also a breeze to clean the grinder. The small size also makes it perfect for homes and smaller apartments. At number 9, we have the Gideon Hand Crank Manual Meat Grinder. The dimensions of this manual grinder are 10.9 by 6.7 by 6.1 inches and it weighs only 2.5 pounds. As the name suggests, it is a manual meat grinder, featuring an easy-to-turn hand crank. All you have to do is put the meat in the grinder and turn the hand crank. The grinder will turn the meat into a fine ground paste, just like electrical grinders. It is also possible to have coarse or fine meat mincing, as the grinder also features 2 stainless steel plates, one for each of them. Gideon Hand Crank remains in its place, thanks to a suction cup base. Similarly, it is a durable, sturdy, compact, and safe meat grinder. The grinder eliminates the chances of injuries by fully enclosing the blades. You also don't have to put your hands in the grinder. There is a dedicated meat pusher to do this job. On top of that, it is small, lightweight, and highly portable, which does not add any weight to your luggage, so you can take it with you to your next picnic or barbecue party without any trouble. And for our final pick at number 10 is the Heavy Duty Meat Processing Machine. The Heavy Duty Meat Processing Machine has the dimensions of 16.9 by 9.4 by 8.3 inches and it weighs around 9 pounds. This particular grinder serves many different purposes such as meat mincing, meat grinding, and sausage stuffing. Made of high quality and sturdy stainless steel, it offers an improved and safer grinding experience to every user. It is a great meat grinder for home use, with 500 watt rated power and 800 watts lock power. It comes with stainless steel blades and on-off reverse switch function as well. Being a powerful machine, it also allows you to make mouth-watering burgers or meatballs at home. It is an ETL-approved device, which grinds meat effortlessly and silently. The accessories include 1 sausage attachment, 1 food pusher, and 3 different cutting blades. The grinder also provides you with 1 kibe attachment, 1 hopper plate, and 1 cutting blade. As the grinder is only suitable for home use, you should avoid grinding nuts and bones or putting it to commercial use. So that sums up our top meat grinders. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please leave a like on the video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.